Finally, I'm getting a target in this curb strip, man. There's just not much here. That's too big. Sounds like it's deeper. It's not deeper. Oh, look at that dry. Oh, get the clip off. Right there. Copper penny. Dry, man. It's amazing how you can find those dry coin balls inside a really wet ground. Crazy. Iron, big iron down there, man. Lots of iron over here. Big stuff too. Can't hear my detector because I got my hood on. Big. I like this one. I'm liking it a lot less now. It does not sound good now. It's right on the surface. Yep. Right in there. Nice Liberty. Is it a pencil eraser? You gotta be kidding me. No. It's a rivet head. It's a rivet head. Ooh, it's kind of sloppy here too. Ooh, yeah. Sounds junky, but it could be a bracelet or a necklace or something. Come on, baby. Bring it to daddy. Bring some jewelry to Paystreak right here. It's probably a nut or a screw or something. Probably a screw. Oh, soil's not being nice to me today. Lug nut. Good old lug nut. You gotta love them, huh? Sounded junky. Ooh, red soil. Isn't that lovely? This soil looks nasty right here. Looks like there's a lot of clay in it. This one might not be coming out. Right here. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, it's super junky soil here. Let's drop. whatever it is. It is small and it's jewelry right there. Interesting. It's part of an earring. Gotta keep on pressing on. Part of an earring. See that? Jumping all around. Part of an earring. Just part of an earring. I'll probably lose it. I probably won't be able to find that in my bag because my stuff is so muddy in my bag there. And sandy. So I'm going to take off here because I can't hear my detector. I have it cranked up all the way. The volume is all the way up and I cannot hear my detector. And I was worried about that. I was worried about that with the Equinox because I can't hear my detector. Not a good thing, man. Got to be able to hear the detector, right? I'm going to take off to a... I'm not really sure where I'm going to take off to right now. I'll get in my truck and figure it out. I think I might go to a different curb strip. I'll go to a different curb strip, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.